During sa Q&A, sa isang free live webinar session na kinakandak ko, may nagtanong, paano daw kung ang isang mutual fund company ay bumagsak katulad ng Filequity, Soldivo, FAMI? Paano daw ang kanyang investments? Mawawala daw ba yon? I appreciate his question dahil iniisip niya, paano nga ba? Ano nga bang mangyayari dun sa pera na ini-invest niya? So that smart question deserves a smart answer. Kamusta mga kaibigan at welcome sa ating channel na kung saan palaguin natin ang pisong pinaghirapan. So ano nga ba ang mangyayari kung ang isang company katulad ng Filequity, Soldivo, FAMI ay bigla na lang mag-close at bumagsak? Or paano naman kung ikaw ay IMG member at nag-close ang IMG, paano naman ang pera na ini-invest mo sa mga affiliated companies nito? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin sa video na ito. Susunod na. Kung ikaw ay nag-invest ng mutual fund through IMG, paano kung ang IMG mag-close? Unang-una sa lahat, hindi ka nag-invest sa IMG. Ang IMG ay isang membership platform company. So yung pera na binayaran mo ay isang membership fee lang. Ngayon, what if kung ang mga affiliated companies ni IMG katulad ng mga mutual fund companies ang magsara? Ganito yan. Kasi 'di ba, ang IMG meron siyang mga affiliated companies na mga mutual funds katulad ng Soldivo, Filequity, Sun Life, FAMI. Ngayon, ang mga yan are not a mutual fund company. Kung ikaw ay may balak mag-invest sa alinmang mutual fund na yan at meron kang account sa mga yan, Soldivo ba yan? Tandaan mo, ang Soldivo is not a mutual fund company, kundi fund manager. Fund managers are sometimes also called investment managers and they have two main functions. So una, to implement the investment objective of the mutual fund company they are managing, at pangalawa, to manage the underlying portfolio of stocks and or bonds and their trading activities. So, in the case of Soldivo, the following are the mutual funds under its management. Una, ang Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund Inc. at ang Soldivo Bond Fund. Napansin mo ba ang INC or yung Inc. at the end of their names? That's short for incorporated, which means each mutual fund is registered as a separate corporation or more specifically as an investment company by virtue of RA 2629 or the Investment Company Act of the Philippines. So as an investor, you are not invested in Soldivo, but rather in one or more mutual funds under the management of Soldivo. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-invest sa fund manager but you can invest in one of the mutual funds it is managing. So, if you have shares in Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund Inc., you are an investor of SSGFI and not Soldivo. You invest in one or more mutual funds, then Soldivo manages the entire portfolio. So, nagets mo ba? Dahil ang mutual fund is a pooled fund at yung pooled money na yon ay ini-invest sa isang basket of securities like stocks and bonds. Then, the fund manager oversees the entire portfolio and manages it according to the objectives of that fund. Maaari nga bang mabankrupt ang isang mutual fund company? Una, the bad news. Posible. Dahil ang investing ay katulad lang ng negosyo. May risk. Kung may bad news, may good news. For the good news, that's very unlikely to happen to a mutual fund, especially stock fund. Dahil ang mutual fund na ito ay highly diversified portfolio of stocks na kung saan Ang investment ay nakakalat across different stocks from solid companies sa Pilipinas, across different business sectors, plus various bonds issues from big corporations and even the government. They own as many as 20 to 30 companies at any particular time. At ito po ang portfolio or laman ng mga company ng Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund Inc. So, meron kang SM, Ayala, BDO, BPI, Metro Bank, Mega Wide Construction, JG Summit at Aboitiz Equity Ventures. Ito lang yung 10 doon sa marami pang laman sa kanyang equity na asset allocation. At alam mo, this March 2019, ang Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund, pumangalawa siya sa pinaka may mataas na rate of return pagdating sa equity fund type of mutual fund. Ngayon, familiar ka naman siguro doon sa mga kumpanyang nakapaloob sa Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund. So sa tingin mo ba, mababankrupt ang mga kumpanyang ito anytime soon? Hindi, di ba? Now, going back to the question of Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund Inc. going bankrupt, what would it take for this to happen? First and foremost, it would take all the underlying companies the fund is invested in to go bankrupt first. Halimbawa, SM, Ayala, it would take a very unlucky but possible event in the Philippines for all those underlying investments to go down the drain. But before that could happen, ang fund manager, ang Soldivo, remember, is quick enough to trade its holdings in favor or better stocks. This is the time when you would be thankful you have a smart fund manager on your team. To satisfy those people na palagi pa rin, paano talaga kung mag-close? Paano yun? Paano nga ba talaga kung mag-close ang isang mutual fund company? Kailan ba talaga mangyayari yun? Kailan ba talaga siya posibleng mag-close talaga ng tuluyan? Kung halimbawa man na mangyari ang World War III or end of the world na talaga, so of course, syempre maapektuhan lahat ng mga kumpanya kahit na gaano ka-solid yan, so magko-close talaga yon. So ngayon, for the fund to close, that decision has to be decided by its investors. Remember, the investors are the shareholders, right? You and me and other several investors, big and small, individual or institutional investors, have to decide on the fate of our investment company. Alam mo bang meron tayong tinatawag na shareholders meeting? At during this meeting, ang agenda ay pinag-uusapan kung halimbawa, who will manage the fund. Yes, we can select other fund manager if we are not satisfied with that current fund manager. At kung sino yung uupo sa board of directors, kung sino yung magiging custodian bank. For example, ngayon, ang SSGFI or ang Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund ay na-bankrupt. What will happen to your money? Una, tandaan mo, they are required to disclose the fund value daily. This is reflected in net asset value per share or NAVs by 5 p.m. At pangalawa, as an owner of the fund you own number of shares. So, if the fund goes bankrupt, you will get back your money, which is the NAVs times the number of shares that you own. So, ang Soldivo will write a check in your name with that amount or you can request that money be deposited to your bank account. So, katulad lang din siya ng pag-redeem or nag-withdraw ka lang ng shares mo from your fund. Ganon lang yung process. Ang importante, alam mo na ang mutual fund don't own any tangible assets like condominium buildings, manufacturing facilities. What mutual funds have are marketable securities that can be sold anytime. Back to basic, these assets include common shares from different companies with good track records, corporate bonds, at government securities. So if investors want their money back, the fund manager will simply unload these assets and sell them to other interested parties, and there are surely a lot of takers waiting in line. Then, i-distribute ang money back to the investors. So relax dahil ang Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund, Philiquity Fund Inc., and other mutual funds in the Philippines will be here for a long, long time. So I hope naliwanagan ka sa video na ito kung paano, 'di ba? What if, yung mga tanong mong what if. And if you find this video informative, kindly share this video to your families and friends, especially doon sa mga nagsipag-invest na sa mutual fund or doon sa mga balak mag-invest sa mutual fund. Now, kung ikaw ay first time dito sa ating channel and you are wondering bakit, paano magsimula mag-invest sa mutual fund, then attend my free live webinar every Tuesday and Friday, 8:30 p.m. Philippine time po yan. Just message me sa aking Facebook Messenger para mabigay ko po sa iyo ang Zoom meeting ID. And of course, grab a free copy of this book at my website at www.gisaal.net. Lahat naman may risk. It's up to you how to manage at kailangan lang matutunan mo how to build a solid financial foundation din talaga. Ako po muli, si G. Isaal, na palaging magpapaalala sa inyo to live, love, invest. God bless everyone, and always remember, God loves you.